Welcome to Unaka Gear Co. Today we're going to teach you guys how to install our flush mount solar panel bracket set with the included hardware. To complete your installation, which we have linked in the description below, it's time to get started. Grab your bracket and notice that you have two different size slots. Here you have a 1/4 inch slot that's designed to go straight on the solar panel, and here you have a 5/16 slot. The key to success is that you get these in the proper location. So you will take the 1/4 inch slot and you will place it down on the solar panel like so. You will then take a fender washer, put it on your 1/4 inch bolt here like this, and then you will slide that up through the mounting hole in the solar panel and position it like this. Once you have it in this position, take a dab of anti-seize if you've got it and put it on the end of the bolt like so. You will then take another fender washer, place it down over the bolt, and you will then take your nylock lock nut and you will begin to thread it on this bolt. At this time, you'll grab your wrench and your torque wrench or your ratchet and you will torque the bolt down to spec. Now that you've completed the install on one bracket, please complete the same step for the remaining mounting features on your panel. Okay, now that you have your flush mount solar panel brackets installed to your solar panel, it is now time to install the solar panel on your crossbars. We've gone ahead and done these three, and I'm going to show you how to do the fourth one here. In order to do this successfully, you will need to take a T-nut and slide it into position in the crossbar itself. A pro tip when installing T-nuts is to ensure the nub is facing the center of the crossbar. You'll simply slide it in the T-slot like this. I then like to grab a tool, typically just use the Allen wrench that I am about to use to tighten it. And you will slide it over so that the threaded hole is centered up over your mounting bracket. You will then grab the 5/16 bolt and you will grab your 5/16 washer. You'll slide the washer over the end of the bolt and you will apply a small dab of Loctite to the threads. You will then position this into the threads and snug it up. I like to snug it up like so. And after it is snug, I will come back with a torque wrench and torque it to spec. And once you've done that, you will complete the same process across all of your mounting brackets and you will be complete. And that will finish up the install for this solar panel. We'll see you guys next time.